Margin is very similar. There are margin left, margin right, margin top, and margin bottom, or I can just set margin. And if I put 36 pixels, that will do it all 4 bar margins. And remember what margin is. Margin is the space outside the border until it bumps up against another element. So here, if I put it around, what I did is I just said, okay, I want 36 pixels from the border to where it bumps up against an edge or another element. And notice there's only a margin over here, right? So we don't see what's past that margin. Okay. And as we put a specific width so it doesn't get any smaller. But if there were something else next here, it would have that exact same margin right there. Margin works just like padding, that you can have the individual ones, or you can identify, I want this to be the top margin, I want the right margin to be 62 pixels, I want the bottom margin to be 88 pixels, and I want the left margin to be 120 pixels. So I save that and refresh. And that's what I get. Okay, so notice how this margin and this one are all individual and separate widths because I identified those different widths for each of the properties.